Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Mercury Fallen. We're just sort of recovering after. Well, we still got a bunch of stuff that has to be made, but yeah, stress is I'm guessing still an issue. So I'm going to have to worry about that. Now, essentially, what we've got is we've got these guys down here having a snack, and we're just going to pause. I'm going to do a stress check here. All right, let's take a look. 33%, okay, not terrible. 22%. Nice. Now, who else do we have? Who else can we find? Oh, we've got we've got Gary. 30% stress, so Gary is doing all right. And then we have this one I have to turn in order to get. Okay, there we go. And 60% stress. So the Jen is the most stressed person right now. So, okay. That's fine. We're just going to let them sort their stuff out. Now, I get all kinds of great tips from people that actually have played this game and they know a little bit about it. You know who you are. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it because I am trying to get up to speed, and it takes a bit of time. Now, what would I like to do? So apparently we could look at decor. Decor will tell us where the bad things are. And it's actually not looking too terrible. This is pretty kind of... I think it's because this is all dirt. It's not that great. The kitchen could do a little better. Well, over here, this is kind of a nasty place over here. Yeah, okay. So, I think we're all right. This doesn't look good at all in here, actually, does it? This is supposed to be where they're supposed to relax. Well, yeah, I guess we'll have to figure out what we're going to do about that. All right, well, that's cool. So by the way, just so people know, there's the power overlay, there's a water overlay, and there's a decor overlay. So there we go. Those are the sort of the different overlays that we have. And, yeah, that's all I know about that. Now, there's a few things that we have to think about. One of the things that I'm going to start trying to get into is the anthracite. Basic. Oh, what's going on with the? Oh, they put a thing in, but there's no power to it yet. Did I put in the power? Yes, there we go. We got a little bit of light going on, and then we've got. Let's see, Dave. Dave's having a. No, not the chair. Can I please check Dave out? Okay, Dave, how you doing there, Dave? Is he still good? Oh, his stress is going up. Uh-oh. Okay, so one of the other tips that I got was that we should really have some more chairs. Chairs are good. So maybe I think what I'll do is I'll start putting some chairs in. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's see. We'll put a chair in here. Now, I do have to expand the kitchen. The kitchen is embarrassingly small. And then I think we'll put a chair in here. Can I not put a chair in there? I can. Okay, good. And then, let's see. Let's have another chair. Right. Let's have one over here. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe we'll have one in the research room. Yeah. And maybe we'll have one in... Yeah, let's have some chairs in the bedrooms. Oh, wait a minute. Where am I going to put it? We could put a chair in here, right here. Oh, actually, I need to put in another bed, don't I? Yeah. So this bedroom is also kind of small, and I'm probably going to have to rework this a little bit. Most likely what I'm going to end up doing is going this way. So I think I'll just reserve this whole area over here for that sort of thing. And also to hide my shame, well, actually, I'm not going to do that. I was going to put a door here, but if I'm going to tear this out and expand the bedroom that way, then probably I don't want to start investing in doors and stuff. So let's just leave that alone. And then, okay, so there we go. We've got some more chairs placed down because, yeah, I'm just going to try and keep things moving. Oh, hey, yeah, keep on going, guys. I accidentally was paused for a little too long there. The other thing is, I think let's take a look at the research. Okay, first of all, we've finished medical. Medical gives us the medbay floor, medical cabinet, and a medibed. Now, given this, I think it's probably a good idea if we start thinking about building a medbay And it's been suggested that because med bays require water, that perhaps over here would be a good location for a med bay. And I think that's actually a pretty good idea. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to expand this way with a med bay. So that's I think the next phase of operation. So we're going to start. Let's see if we can start clearing all this out. Let's get you and you and you. Maybe let's. What the hell? Let's do this whole thing. Yeah. There we go. This will be good. Our little robot helper will take care of it. Yeah. There we go. Okay. And then I guess we'll have to destruct all the flooring, right? Yeah. Now there's apparently a quick way to do that. So I'll wait till the all this dirt's been removed, and then I'll go after it, and we'll tackle that bad boy. Now this is, I'm going to make this into a utility closet here because this is where the water is. So let's see if we can maybe make another, let's add some door here and here. And then essentially, or walls, I mean. And then I'm going to put a doorway in. And then this will be the, to hide this, this sort of, the waterworks. I think that's a good idea. And then as far as the kitchen is concerned, we're going to have to expand it. So I'm thinking I'm going to go this way. Now, how I'm going to do that, I'm not sure. So let's let them actually get this sort of stuff taken care of first. By the way, how am I doing for resources here? I have 31 structural resin. Oh, that's not bad. Am I running out of dirt? Is that what's going on here? I wonder if I'm running out of building materials. Because these guys here, it's mineral compound. Okay, am I storing mineral compound? Yes, I am. Okay, no, that's anthracite. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is, mineral compound. Oh, I've got a fair amount of it, 219. All right, it's just a matter of them getting around to processing it. So we'll have to, keep an eye on that. Oh, let's take a look over here. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, hey, these guys here. I have to be more diligent in opening them. Let's take a look. We've got some fasteners. We've got colonist log, aeroponics blueprint. Nice. Some improved pump motors, improved power coil, craft efficiency 1, machine equipment. Oh, nice. And we've got electronics, so that's kind of cool. That reminds me. Oh, excuse me. I might end up running out of storage space. So maybe what I should do is put in some more storage. We'll have that one here. Maybe I'll put some storage in here. Would that work out? I think that'll work out pretty good. So what is that? Is that furniture? No. Oh, there's an actual storage tab. Well, that would be that. Okay, so let's put a, let's turn it like that. We'll put a storage thing there and a storage thing there. There we go. Give them some extra storage space. All right, how are we doing with let's take a look. Stress is 57. Okay, all right. Well, at least it's not 90-something, which is what it was before. All right, how you doing there, guys? Oh, look at that. They're making so much progress. Okay. Maybe whoa, I didn't mean for that. It seems to change the zoom on its own sometimes. Okay, perhaps we'll put in a... No, let's wait. Let's wait until we figure out what we're going to do with the layout before we actually do that. Okay, let's... I think that it makes sense to go to here, and then maybe... all the way over here. And, oh, no, okay. Yeah, let's go all the way there. Oh, no, not that one. Actually, hang on. No! The 3D thing. Okay, and then let's take out these two here, and that, and that one. Yeah. And this one. Yeah, that'll work. Excellent. And then I think what I'll do is I'll make use of the existing walls. So I'll basically make use of this all the way through here, through here, and then to this wall, and then across. And then we'll make this whole thing the med bay. I think that'll be kind of cool. Now, can I place flooring on top of existing flooring? No, I cannot. Okay, so what I'll do is, now where is it? There's this one here, deconstruct. So if I wanted to deconstruct, no, I guess I can't. Oh, wait a minute. Flooring. There we go. Yes, 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 because this is bedroom floor. We don't want bedroom floor, so let's get rid of all this bedroom floor. And that right there, there. Yeah, this is pretty good. I think we can... There we go. Let's let them work away at that. Now, there are some more canisters back here, if I remember correctly. There they are. Oh, look at them all. There's tons of them. Okay, so this is a minerals chest. And what are we going to get? Nice. Anthracite, some rutile, hematite, a little bit of everything. Oh, cool. All right. Okay, and then this one is an organics chest. And we get some weed, and we get hemp. Cool. Now, wasn't there another one? Yes, there is. There it is right there. Tech chest. Okay. And we've got some fasteners, some electronics, and a clone chamber. Are you saying we can make clones? Can we make tons of Daves? That would be fun. Okay, that would be actually kind of amusing. I think I got all the ones I know about. Yeah, I think I do. Okay. Oh, look at that. We got some more lights coming in. Excellent. This is turning out just groovy. Okay. Now, I have to think about one thing that I've been sort of wondering about is what to do about this with this growing area. I'm probably going to end up having to destroy some of these because I want to put a wall in right over through here. And then, I don't know, maybe I'm thinking I'll expand it out that way, but I'm not really sure yet. What's going on here? Gary has contracted a new ailment, hand cramp from mining. Alice Peters is now level 5 miner and research complete on Colonist. Oh, okay. So, all right, so we finished the complete first level, so this whole level of stuff. So what do we want to do? Now okay. So 500, 1,000, 850, 450, 200. So decor seems to be important because of stress. So what do we got? A plant pot and a nightstand. Let's do that. Let's try and improve their mood a little bit by getting some more decor. I think that might actually... Hey! Hello! Did I... Wait a minute. A food chest. Oh, what are we going to have? It's potatoes and rations. Jeez. These guys are going to get sick of potatoes. I'm going to tell you that right now. I know I would be. Whoa, what's that all way over here? What is that? There's like some sort of electronic thing going on over there. Okay, so that's cool. I think we've got a little bit of an area here that we can sort of yeah, let's do this and this and then do that and that. There we go. I think that'll work. Yeah, this will work. And then what we can do is we can put in a medbay floor. So let's do that. And then maybe Gary can get his hand cramp fixed, because Gary. Look at that, we're making progress. Oh, so awesome. Okay, but they're not. It's interesting. So what they choose to build is kind of I guess it might be in the order in which I ask them to do it, but they do seem to prioritize mining and removal over manufacturing, and that's probably based on the priority stuff that's been set up. And I think I might just leave that alone. But yeah, okay. So the next thing we need to do is think about the kitchen, because the kitchen is puny, and yeah, I kind of knew that when I built it, unfortunately. But what are you gonna do? So I think what we're gonna so we're gonna remove this wall. Hang on. Let me see if I can line that. Oh. Isn't that deconstruct? Oh, yeah. You got to select. Right. Okay. let's remove that wall right there, and then we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna basically mine this out, and then we'll remove this whole wall. But I want to shield them from seeing all this dirt, because I think apparently the dirt it impacts their mood. So I'm thinking if I minimize the exposure of that stuff, then that would be better. And I've been really wanting to get at this right here, but they can't because it's behind all this equipment. So if I mine all this out, then I'll be able to get to that, and we'll be able to fix it up. Okay, there we go. So let's open this up to about there. There we go. Give them a nice little project. Oh, hey. Oh, they still haven't built that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to put a door in, just to hide my my dirt shame. There we go. And okay, so they've put the lights in, but they haven't run the power yet, right? Is that the... Yeah. They've... Oh, this one right here. This one right here hasn't been done. Okay. All right, well, I'm hoping they'll get to it eventually. Okay. That's cool. How you doing, Dave? Sometimes I love the sound that they make. It's like, that's the sound I'd probably make too. Eh? What? What? Stop it. Oh, hey, we're making progress over here. Oh, cool. Look at that. All right. Come on, guys. Oh, actually, I should just speed up. Yeah, let's crank up the speed. Woo! Oh, look at them go. Wait a minute. What are you doing, Alice? Getting something to eat. You went sort of running around here. What are you doing, Dave? What? According to this, nothing. I guess he doesn't have anything to do? Is there no research? I've got research jobs there, Dave. You could do some research. Oh, he's going to actually do the door. Okay, good. All right. Man, things are actually starting to happen. This is actually really cool. Huh. Wow. All right. Let's hide this little area over here. Maybe we could put in a door here. I'll put a door in there when I can. And I don't know if we want to block off the... we could put a door right here for the kitchen, because that'd be kind of cool. And I'll put a door on the research thing, but I'm trying to minimize, like, just... What? Alice's contract... Oh, hand cramp. What is with these guys and hand cramps? Holy crap. Okay. Oh, we're almost able to get to this thing. So I'm going to mark that as please mine again. Because I had it marked for mining before, but because they couldn't get to it, I got rid of it because it was just starting to get irritating seeing it there all the time. Man, they're doing really well. Cool. Anybody having a nap? Nope. Okay, that's all right. Oh, this is so awesome. And then once I'll basically expand it and make this whole thing the kitchen. I think that'll work. And because this fridge is in the middle of the floor, I have an idea for how I'm going to do something a little odd with it, and we'll see if it turns out to be kind of, if it works or not. Okay, almost done. Come on, guys, keep going. What you doing? I have trouble. Hang on. Jen. Oh, you look down there. Right. Jen is dropping off items. I always have trouble figuring out where the little thing is, and it's down in the bottom right. Jen Watson, age 36, action, dropping off items. Cool. Okay. Keep going, guys. Did you make my new store? No, not yet. Okay. Ah, yes. Finally. Okay. I've been meaning to do this for so long. There we go. Oh, this is, hang on a minute. Oh, I need to do more. Okay, hang on a minute. I need to mine this out. Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put in a wall right through here. Like that. And then eventually we're going to remove all this centerpiece, but I just wanted to keep the kitchen separate from the construction zone for as long as possible, if that makes sense. Okay. Oh, let's go to 3. Come on. Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it. Oh, finish it off. Yes. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a wall in right through here, like that. And let's see. Put in, hang on a minute. Let me see if I can, okay. Let's do kitchen, because we're going to extend the kitchen. And that one too. There we go. Okay. All right. Now, there's water here. I could run water. Wow, this is going to be a huge medbay. It's actually kind of cool. Well, let's let them finish that off, because I can't place it. I think I have to wait till there's actual medbay floor before I can actually tell them. What is going on up here? Research complete. Decor. Oh, it's done. All right. Okay, next. Now, what's silica processing? So we get silicon carbide and glass, and that is to... Oh, it's to make glass. All right. And then tech printing allows them to make processors, fasteners, hardened fasteners, assembly lab floor. Oh, I can make an assembly lab. Well, you know what? I like that. That sounds kind of cool. Tech printing. So basically a 3D printer. And then what happened? Level 2 engineer. Nice. Making progress. Good job. Good job, guys. Sometimes you got to give them an attaboy or attagirl just to, make people feel better. Okay. 75. So here. Okay. Stress check. And Gary is at 63. Gary seems to run at a constant stress level. 62. And oh, that's Gary. We already checked Gary. And what do we got here? This is 29. So Jim Jim he doesn't have a worry in the world. All right. Everybody keep going. Oh boy, I think I might have missed somebody. Like did I miss Jen here? No, 62. Okay, good. All right, keep going, everybody. Keep making progress. I'm going to have to start making some new stuff. Oh, we have a new couch. Oh, what's going on? Jim has hand cramp. My colony is going to be brought down by hand cramps. Now, what I would love is a table. A table would be really nice so that they could put their coffee down on something and they could sit across from each other and they could have chats and discuss things like hand cramps. Because apparently hand cramps are of a great concern in this colony. I don't know. I personally, I've never really thought about that as a possibility. Oh, hey, look at that. We're getting another chair in here. Sweet. And here, too. Oh, we're getting chairs everywhere. Now, what is going on with this? Okay, so is there a power situation here? Let me just see if we can... All right, let's take a look. Utilities. Power conduit. Oh. That's just a bit weird. What did I do there? Okay. Hang on a minute. Here, let's highlight power, and then we'll go to destruct power. Okay, that'll work. And what I can do is get rid of you and you, like that. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, I made a power loop. Hey, look. Oh, okay. No, we're still working on the medbay. Okay, very cool. We're gonna get that medbay done. I promise you. Now we are apparently going to have to run water to the medbay. Now I could use. Well, let me take a look. So this water pump requires 75 watts per second. It has an output of 250 gallons. I'm currently only using 20. So this water pump is probably capable of supporting the medbay as well as the kitchen. So I think that's fine. We're gonna, if it isn't, then I can always put in another one right here, and so this will remain the utility closet. In fact, why don't we put in a utility floor? Because it is kind of. Is there a utility floor? Hallway, medbay. No, there isn't. Refinery floor. there isn't really this kind of hallway. Let's just put hallway floor in here. Like that. There we go. And then we'll put in a door as well. Because, you know, all utility closets should have doors. Because that's like a rule. Well, I made it up. This is my colony. I'm the overlord, so I made the rule up. So there we go. It's my rule. Okay, now. Refinery floor. Okay, so there is apparently. What is? Apparently there's some anthracite somewhere, but I'm not really sure where. Oh, there we go. Right here. Okay, we could actually mine that out. Let's just grab that then. And there we go. Oh, no. What did I do? I screwed that up. And there we go. There! Much better. And we should probably take a look eventually at what's over here, but we'll get to that when we can. We've still got all this to take care of. Apparently this power thingy-mabobber has to be taken care of as well. Now, how is my power situation? So, currently, it's running at max power. And this one is running, okay. So we're at like, basically because the two of them, we're running at half power. One's at 10 watts, the other's at full power. So we're doing pretty good. I think we're okay for now with power. It's the power room. You guys have stopped working on your new kitchen. Is there a specific reason why you've stopped working on your new kitchen? Because you're doing other things. Okay, well that's fair. That's fair. We're doing research. Tech printing is still being researched. Oh, hey, we're doing mining. You know what it is it's because I'm asking them to do mining, and I'm thinking that, you know what, let's take a look at the situation with all this stuff, because, yeah, I think what I need to do is I need to start, I really do need to look at all this a little bit better. So we've got Dave. Dave is, he's smart. I think someone suggested making Dave the doctor. And that's not a bad idea. The other choice for the doctor would be Jim, because he has an intellect of 8. So he might actually make a good doctor. Maybe I'll make Jim the doctor. Yeah, okay. Let's make him the doctor. So he's a scientist and a doctor. Okay. Dave is also we could basically make him a doctor as well, but just at a slightly lower well, let's set that to 3, which I know that it's all relative, but it's okay. Gary is I think he's doing good. We've got him doing building and mining, and so he's probably fine there. And then Jen, oh, this is cool. They've got little stats here. I didn't know that. Okay, this is their stress level. Oh, I could come here and look at their stress level. So it's none of them are critical. They're all in the 60s. Oh, wow. Okay, no. Apparently Dave is super stressed. Okay, that's fine. I think I'm just going to leave this the way it is. I'm going to take a little bit of a hands-off approach. And okay, they've done the mining, so that's done. Okay. And now if they've finished the mining, maybe they're going to actually do some building and stuff. Or maybe not. Gary, what are you doing? You're delivering materials. You delivered materials out here? Why? Why would you do that, Gary? Is that what he did? Maybe I'm misunderstanding what he did. How about you build something, Gary? Okay, Gary, what are you going to do? He is great for getting, oh, it's the hallway floor. No. All right, let me see if I can get access to Gary here. Let's see if we can get a extreme close-up on Gary. There we go. Okay, Gary, what are you doing? You're collecting items. Good job, Gary. And then what are you going to do? Oh, he's going to do some work on stuff. Okay, cool. Okay, what did we get here? Jim is now a level 2 builder, and Jen is a level 4 scientist. Nice. Is that... Jen is actually doing the sciencey work. So it'll be fine. We can get our Brainiac to our level 8 Brainiac. I think is it Jim? I just said his name. Jim. Yeah, it's Jim. Yeah. Once we get the medbay going, then maybe he could do something about all these hand cramps. Maybe they have like a special hand cramp device that actually uncramps people's hands. I mean, because it does seem to be kind of a constant problem here. Are we sleeping now? We got okay. Dave's having a nap. Good. So is what? Actually, one of these days I'm going to be able to identify them all. Why can't I identify you? There we go. There we go. There's no information here. S. What? Did I screw that up? I think I must have said somebody's name. S. Oh, man. I'm going to have to go back and get the exact name and fix that. That was from me because you use WASD in order to move around, and I must have accidentally clicked the name. S. It's what's for dinner. All right. Well, S is having a nap. You know what? Maybe I should leave. Maybe I should just keep the name S. That would be actually kind of awesome. What is the food situation, by the way? Now, there is meals. Okay, we've got 3 rations. They're not making any food. Raw food. We've got potatoes. Now, apparently they can eat raw potatoes. They're just not going to be happy about it. We only have 4 cooked potatoes left. Okay, we need to sort this out. We need to get who's doing the cooking. I think I set up. Oh yeah, I didn't really specify. S is the cook. Okay, S. This is what you do. You should be doing this all the time. Okay. Now, how many raw potatoes do we have, S? Huh? How many? 353. Is there a particular reason, S, why you're napping when everybody's... Oh, you're not napping. Wait a minute. Who's cooking? Yeah, S is cooking. Good job, S. Nice. Okay. Good job. See, ever since I've accidentally renamed her S, she's now basically... I mean, I feel bad, right, that, I kind of pegged her as the cook, but somebody's got to do it. And I think if I remember correctly, it's just that was the gap when I broke her out of her cryo sleep. So that's what we needed. Okay. Maybe make a little more progress, guys, because nobody's working on this power conduit thing here. What's going on with that? Seriously. Oh, it's because this hasn't been built yet. Weird. Oh, look at how... Oh, they look really... You could see inside them. Oh, man. Okay. Well, no, actually, I didn't want to do that. What I wanted to do was undo that. There we go. Okay. So we're working on the floor. Good job. Good job. Now, how are we doing for cooked food again? We have 11 cooked potatoes. Good job. Thank you, S. That's awesome. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, everybody. Go, go. Oh, I keep... I think what it is when... I'll be at speed 3, and when I pause, and then I basically tell them to unpause, it automatically goes to speed 1, and I don't realize it. So, yeah, that's what's happening there. And I'm like, why are they moving so slowly and nothing's happening? Okay, we've got floor and the med bay coming in. All right, we should probably start thinking about... Well, first of all, I'm going to have to run power over there. What is the power situation? We've got it running here. How about we take power and run it there, and then run it through this wall to there, and then run it out to here, and then run it along this back wall. Because I think that the med bay, I think this back wall here, I think it'll do well as a med bay, where the beds go. So, and then what we could do is we could take a look at, now let's see, where was it that the med bed was? Is it furniture? Well, it's where the medical cabinet goes. We could put medical cabinets in, but let's get the med beds in first. Okay, so not that, it's a utility? Oh, it is. It's a utility. Oh. Ew. Look at that. Okay. How about we put one here, here. Let's put 2 in for now. I don't know how much they're going to get used. Right? Now, well, once they get built, then we'll have a better idea as to what they're going to need. But my understanding is apparently the med bay needs water. So I'm assuming that maybe, well, we'll find out. We'll find out. And then I think what I'll do is, yeah, let's put the medicine cabinet furniture. We'll put a medicine cabinet here. Right there. Like that. Okay. It's going to be a huge med bay, but I realized after the fact that, I mean, this colony could probably grow significantly as it grows, and to have a little tiny med bay is not really smart because it's not going to scale. And so I'm trying to think of how I'm going to scale things. Like I can scale the garden out this way, right? The rec area is pretty big already. The bedrooms suck, but they're small. But I'm thinking I could move the bedrooms out this way. The utility, utility room, I could probably push it out that way, and then if I need to get more refining, I could move it out that way as well. So that's the plan. The kitchen's I think it's going to be a fair size. I'm hoping it's going to be a fair size. Okay, let's check on our people. Oh, look at the stress. 59, 17, 38, 40, 51. The robot, of course, doesn't feel stress. So stress is doing pretty good. I think we're improving things. Nice. Oh, I'm really happy about that, actually. I was getting worried. So because one of the hints that I was given was that apparently stress is one of the biggest things that can bring down a colony, and it's super important to manage it. So that's why I'm focusing on it so much. Yeah. Okay. Now lighting. I need lighting in here. I think I could put in standing lights, but because I'm running power through this wall, I think it makes sense if I start putting in lighting. Isn't under the light bulb, which is really interesting. Although it is under here, right? Yeah. So I think what I'll do is because there's already power in this wall, or there will be, I'll put lights here. In fact, what I'll do is I'll put a light over each med bed, like that. I think that makes sense. In fact, I could put one there, and one there. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I think that'll work. And then in here, oh, we got our chair. Look at that. They can sit in here now and have a snack. Although they like to stand on this. Is there nothing in the fridge? 10 watts, power received 10 watts. Raw food ingredients. And oh, it's got the potatoes in it. Okay, good. Excellent. All right, so we're doing pretty good there. Now, okay, I think this is good. I think we're good. But I might even put another chair in here, but we'll see. Okay. All right, how's our med bay coming along? Good. We're making progress. Nice. What are you doing? Where do you go? Why would you go in there? That's where dirt is. You know what? Here, I'll tell you what. I'll help you out with that. Don't go in there. I'll put in a door. Okay? There we go. All right. What are you guys doing? Gary is hauling. Okay. And oh, that's Gary there. Okay. What are you doing? No, that's a door. S is wandering aimlessly. Why are you wandering aimlessly? There is I bet you anything that we've got, like, how's our situation with cooked potatoes? 11. We could always have more cooked potatoes, S. What are you going to do? And then have to speed up. Oh, S is doing something. Okay. All right. Well, that's good. We can, yep, that's fine. Make stuff. That's awesome. Okay. All right. I think we're keeping up with the food. How are we doing with other materials like hemp? Raw organic. We have 339 hemp. Nice. And oh no, don't do that. Now what? Okay, I craft if below 20, craft if below 20, and craft if below 40. Okay, that should be fine. Now, from what I remember, oh, I can adjust it. Okay, let's crank that up to 40. And let's crank this one up to 40. Oh, I found it. Okay, that's good to know. I was hoping that I was going to be able to adjust these after the fact, because I was like trying to click around here and I was looking for like some sort of little control and I couldn't find it. And yeah, apparently, yeah, you click the little symbol and that'll yeah, awesome. What are you doing? What are you going over here for? It's nasty over there. Why? No, not the dirt. What are you doing? What are you? You are Jen. Why do they wander around aimlessly? It's not like we don't have things to do. There's like stuff to build and all kind. Jen, wait a minute. Did the? Oh, no research. No research. Oh crap. Now silica processing. Let's hold off on that. Cloning. Geothermal power. Hey, that sounds kind of cool actually. Geothermal generator. By tapping thermal vents. Oh, I need a thermal vent for that to be useful. Okay, so we can hold off on that. What about utility equipment? Whoa. Inlet valve, improved inlet valve, advanced power supply, improved power supply. You know what? Let's start working on utility equipment. We're really doing pretty good, I think. In fact, what I think I might do is let's put in another door right here. No. Let's see if I can get this correct. Oh, I can't put it there? Why can't I put a door there? Oh. Does there have to be floor under it in order to put a door in? Oh, it's because this right here is okay. How about we deconstruct that wall. And then I can put a door in there. Okay, so excellent. How's the medbay? Oh, we got a medicine cabinet. And what's the power situation in here? Oh, the power's been put in. Nice. Okay, am I missing ingredients? The medbay needs oh, we're short on structural resin and bioplastic. Okay, what's the situation with all that? Refined organic, bioplastic. Yeah, I need more. Okay. It's because I'm asking them to make so many different things. Now, bioplastic, if I remember correctly, is made from hemp, right? Let's straighten this out. Okay. So if we take a look in here, bioplastic is made from hemp. And we're still doing good on hemp. We have 282. And we have some more hemp crops coming in. So I think we're going to be in fine shape. Have they not replanted this? I don't think they have. Yeah. I think I'm just asking them to do so much. And they can't keep up. This is azurite. You know, we could do some exploratory digging. Yeah. Why don't we do some exploratory digging? How about we dig that out and then out there. And we'll see what's out there. Somebody will want to do that. Okay. In the meantime, if you guys could manufacture. In fact, hang on. So, mining, currently, basically, most people I've got them as average for mining. And then for... What is the task that... what is this task? What is the manufacturing task? I don't actually know. It's crafting, but am I not seeing it? Is it? I guess maybe it doesn't tell you what this task is. So because what I want to do is think about prioritizing crafting products. But if I take a look at the tasks, there's builder, which I think is making like walls and constructing things. That's construction. Mining is obvious. Engineer? Engineer. Okay, let's put a couple more people on engineer. So Dave's a good engineer. And how about not Gary? Gary's not very smart. Jim is going to be a scientist and a doctor, but we can get him to do some engineering as well at a lower priority. So scientisting and doctoring if you can, and then engineer if you can't do that. Jen is also set up to do a little bit of a higher priority for engineering. S is the cook. And basically, yeah. Okay. Oh, hey, we made our little exploratory tunnel. Okay, let's keep going. There we go. All right. Oh, I'm back at speed 1 again. Hey, our medbay. No, not done yet. I think it's because as I say, I keep asking them to build stuff. Like these doors, what does a door require? Structural resin. Yeah. So everything needs structural resin. And it's a matter of manufacturing. Actually, what is this? If I wanted to make a biorefiner, a second biorefiner, what does it take? Structural resin, which I don't have. Wow, that's really cool. So you need structural resin in order to make the thing that makes structural resin. Whoa. That's actually kind of interesting. If I did want to put one, can I even fit it in here? If I put it in like this? No, I think I'd have to put it in like this. Right? Otherwise, I don't think they... Because there's one workstation, you know what? I'm going to put this in because I think it'll speed things up. And then I need to think about power. Wow. I run power everywhere except to that. Okay. That's just, that's kind of awesome. Utilities, run power. And let's just run power to it. There we go. Okay. How's our... Oh, what's going on here? Oh. The lights are coming on. Nice. But I wouldn't mind medbay, the medibeds. The medibeds would be nice. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, that's so nice. I love it. I love it. Okay. Now, can I set this to be a high priority? I think yes, I can. And then also, let's set this to be a high priority and this one to be a high priority. Because just so that we can make sure that those get done before other things. Like, I think this requires structural resin. Yeah. Storage is not... I don't think it's super critical yet. We've still got a bit of storage space as far as I can... I'm hoping that this little empty spot here could still be used. Okay. And that's it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we're getting a little bit of cooking done. All right. Is that S? No, that's Gary. What? No. Okay. Who's doing... Wait a minute. Who's doing research? Who's that? Jim. Yes! Jim's the smart guy. So, we have a few smart people, I think, but Jim is he's our I think he's the smartest guy in the colony. He's not good for much else, so we're going to have to... What are you doing, Dave? Dave. Collecting items. Okay, so he's got something he's doing. And he's going to manufacture. Okay, good. Good, because we've got things that need to be built, Dave. Yeah. We've got things that need to be done. Oh, yeah, they're making more. So what is it that they're doing? They're building bioplastic. Okay, good. And what is the situation now? So, oh, actually, I should just look over here. Bioplastic... Okay, we have 13, 14. Structural resin still is the big problem. Yeah. The sooner I can get a second refiner up, the happier I'll be, I think. Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right. Oh, and I'm back to 1 speed again. There we go. Wow, I got to keep an eye on that. My rec room's not getting... no one's really recreating in here right now. I don't know. Maybe it's because they don't have time. Because I keep asking them to do things. That's probably it. Now, my understanding is, just like we found those 2 extra colonists, we actually... yeah, basically, we could probably find more, and then we build our colony out that way. So, all right. Well, unfortunately, I think we're a little bit locked behind the lack of building materials, but I do have a medbay it's not looking too shabby. I kind of like this medbay. I mean, it would be nice if these were actually built, but you know, Rome was not built in a day, and neither is my colony going to be built in a day. Yes. Actually, you know what we could do is deconstruct this wall here. And is there anything else we can deconstruct to get some quick and dirty? We could deconstruct that. And that. And that'll get some quick materials. Because we can just assume that, and then flooring we could rip up. Is this refinery floor? Do I want to? No, let's keep that flooring in. Maybe I'll turn that in. No, that's gonna be bedroom. So let's rip up flooring. Maybe we'll get some materials out of it. Yeah. Okay. That's the hope, at least. And then once they get those materials, then maybe they can actually build something. Because I think. Yeah. Hey, they've got 55 structural resin and 29 bioplastic. Hey, could you guys build my biorefiner and my medbeds, please? What are you guys doing? Oh, it's because I'm asking them. Now, what is when they ripped up the floor? That was structure resin. Yes. So we are getting extra materials out of that. It's very short-term gain because I could have recycled that floor and all of that sort of stuff. What's this? Oh, that's the one I looked at. Okay. All right. Are you guys going to use that for making things? I wouldn't mind these medbeds being made. They're high priority. Position in the build queue is 1. Position in the build queue is 2. Huh? No, that door is not high in the build queue. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's get these medbeds done. Are you going to build the medbeds? I think they might build the medbeds. Oh, this could happen. This could happen. Yes! Yes! Oh, awesome. That is cool. We're actually going to get Oh, I have to run power to them. I have to run power to the medbeds. Okay. That was my mistake. Let's put one there and there. And then we'll get some power to them, and hopefully they can, get that sorted out. As quickly as possible, if you would, please. Oh, did that little robot just deliver stuff? Yes! I think. What are you guys doing? Oh, it's got power. Yes, it's got 100 watts. Whoa. Oh! Apparently, what? Why are you in the... What's this? Potatoes. Somebody extracted potatoes from one of the... What? Does that make any sense? I'm not sure. Did one of my colonists just give birth to a potato? The amazing potato birth. On that note, I think this is a good place to stop. We have a med bed. We're making some progress. Oh dear. All right. I think this is, as I say, this is a good place to stop. So, I think we're gonna call it here. We have. Thank you very much, everyone. I don't know how I could top a potato birth. I don't really have another explanation for what just happened. So, all right. Thank you very much, everyone. Until next time, you all have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, my God.